On this Civic, B121A is a climate control code for an open in the mode control motor circuit. In plain language, the mode door may not be reporting or responding the way the climate control unit expects, so airflow direction can stick, move incorrectly, or fail to change when commanded. The likely areas are the mode control motor circuit, its connectors and wiring, the motor side of the circuit, or the climate control unit side. The control unit sets this code when the input voltage from the mode control motor is higher than its specified limit. So the diagnostic path is built around checking the related circuits and the unit voltage behavior, not guessing at parts. Before taking measurements, start with the basic system checks so you know the test path is clean. Then turn the vehicle to on mode for the confirmation step. From there, move into the mode control motor circuit checks in order. For the open wire inspection, disconnect the mode control motor 5P connector and disconnect climate control unit connector B, the 24P connector. With IG mode off, check the MDDP circuit first according to the connector callouts. Normal is less than 1 ohmega. Then check the Sense-COM circuit the same way, also with IG mode OFF. Normal there is also less than 1 ohmega. The exact probe points are connector view dependent, so make sure the terminal identifiers match the connector you are on before probing. If either open wire inspection is abnormal, the fault is in the circuit. Next, disconnect the mode control motor 5P connector for the mode control motor inspection. There is no direct method here to test the motor itself, so this path checks the related components around it. With IG mode on, perform the unit output voltage inspection. Normal is about 5V. If that inspection is normal, the fault points to the mode control motor. If it is abnormal, the fault points to other related components in the circuit path. If the path leads you to the climate control unit inspection, keep the mode control motor 5P connector disconnected. This time, leave climate control unit connector B, the 24P connector, connected. With IG mode on, perform the unit internal circuit inspection. Normal is about 5V. If this inspection is abnormal, the fault points to the climate control unit. The key on B121A is to stay in order. Confirm the condition, check the two open wire paths first, then use the voltage checks to separate the motor side from the climate control unit side. If a return point in the path is unclear, pause, recheck the earlier diagnostic path, and avoid guessing. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.